Hello, I'm Mihela. Today I'm going to talk about a very unmistakable bird. The black-hooded Oriole. The black-hooded Oriole is a member of the Oriole family of passerine birds. A distinctive medium-sized yellow bird with a black head and breast, black flight feathers and a red bill. A resident breeder in tropical southern Asia from India and Sri Lanka east to Indonesia. In flight, the black band towards the tail tip is visible. Juveniles is duller overall with a white streaked throat and a darker bill. It is a bird of open woodland and cultivation. Its food is insects and fruit, especially figs, found in the tree canopies where they spend much of their time. Their calls are like named locally as Kaha Kurulla. In Bengal, they are called turmeric bird because of their yellow feathers. This bird is common all across Sri Lanka. I have seen this bird everywhere. One such place I have seen this bird is in Mihinthalaya. The majority of Sri Lankans are Buddhists. Buddhism is a gift from the King Ashoka in India. The very first Buddhist delegation met the Sri Lankan king near Mihinthalaya. Today, it is converted into a temple. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to see my next video about the Sri Lanka barbet.